Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I went through my little treasure box of weave and I found this cute little bob. I believe I paid like 50 bucks from the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna go in detail in the next clip of how the inside looks, because it's just this piece that has the lace. That's it. I turned it sideways because I didn't like it as a middle part, but I still got the box. This is the box that it came in, if anyone's interested in looking it up online or wherever. That's what it's called. But yeah, it's another show and tell on the, what is this, Swiss lace front by Bobby Boss. I believe it is. I believe that's who it is, if I'm not for sure. But yeah, I think that's who it is. Yeah. It's the HH part S lace Catarshia, I think. Yeah. Anyways, stay tuned for the next clip. And yeah, I like it. I added color to it. It's so cute. But I won't be wearing this for long because I'm not like, my kids be like, that's mom hair because it's so short. I'm like, no, it's a bob. No, it's mom hair. But yeah, I just thought I'd, pull out some of my oldies and play with those. Make a video or two since we still in quarantine till May the 8th. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.